Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Bender by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells. Bender, depressed since its artificial intelligence has been diminished, roams on the streets to find the nearest suicide booth. In order to save the robot, you are entrusted with the task of forecasting the path Bender will take, so we can intercept him. You will have at your disposal the logics of the robot's displacement. In this puzzle, you have to implement a simple but complete finite state machine and learn about this concept. The goal of the puzzle is to help Bender the robot to go through the city. You have to decide what movement it will do next, based on its previous moves and the environment obstacles. Read carefully the rules for the displacement of the robot and how to modelize the map of the city. Let's use today classes. To declare a class, you use the class keyword with the name of the class. The constructor method is a special method for creating and initializing an object created with a class. Then declare methods. Let's dive into the code. Create node object on the map. Create class Bender and its constructor. Set a position method. Update the position method. Build a road method. Update a state method according to the current tile. Define a new Bender's position and verify whether it code stuck in endless loop or dead. Get move method. Get map method. Build the road. Run all the tests. OK. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at war and queue structure in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive